lives. We know that for a fact. We've seen it. You refuse to believe that, but this saves children's lives.
Yeah.
These pictures save children's lives. I know that for a fact.
Hi.
I don't believe it. I'm just telling the truth.
He's fine. He's fine. He's absolutely fine.
He's not the 3-year-old.
He's fine. Ma'am, you're the problem.
Ma'am, these save children's lives.
You are.
You guys are the problem.
No, listen, my friend, we do live in a free and fair society, except for the preborn. The preborn.
You don't get to tell people that they're the problem.
She came over, sir. Are you her son?
Sir, you don't. She's my mother-in-law.
Okay, your mother-in-law came over and started telling us to do what you're just telling me I can't do. No, you did. You told us what not to do.
You can do me the courtesy.
And when I tried to tell, ma'am, when I tried to tell you, you said I'm not talking to you, and you walked away.
What are you doing to help people?
And I told you, I said we're actually helping them. When Jesus says, when someone's hungry, you provide for their needs. You don't just say, we'll pray for you.
Are you opposed to the death penalty?
No.
Why not?
Because
so you're not pro-life across the board. You're just pro-life to a point.
Okay. Do you understand what murder is?
I do.
Okay. So let's define the law.
I'm an attorney,
Okay.
so I understand very clearly.
So murder is what?
So murder is with malice aforethought.
Right. So a person that's on death row that with malice and forethought murdered someone.
Certainly.
Okay.
But we shouldn't forgive them. We should murder them instead.
Jesus declared. Listen.
Turn which cheek?
Okay. Do you want to hear?
You can either be
you don't want to have a you don't have a dialogue.
Or you can be.
You don't want to have a dialogue, do you? In Genesis 9:6, God declared, if man sheds blood by man, his blood shall be shed. In Romans 13, he declared that the governments are there to establish justice, to wield the sword against the. You don't understand the Bible, my friend. You don't understand the. Are you Jew?
Is that what we're
Are you
doing?
Jew?
No.
Are you Jew?
I'm not.
Okay, then you don't understand the Bible.
Well, I do understand the Bible, and I don't need to be told by some guy standing
you
on the
don't
street
understand the
corner whether I
Bible. You don't understand the Bible. I'd love to sit down and have a Bible study with you.
I don't need any
But you
study.
tell me you're a lawyer, and I don't even believe that because you don't understand what murder is.
All right.
Okay, so is abortion murder, sir? Is abortion? It's not. Why?
Because they don't have legal rights.
Why?
Because they're not actually.
Okay, where does it say? Where does that say? Where does viability say?
It's codified.
When does viability start?
When does viability start? 24 weeks.
When? Where's it declared that?
In codified law.
Where? What law?
I don't. Every law of every state.
No. Have you seen it? Are you live in Illinois?
I do.
Have you looked at the abortion law of 1975?
I have.
What section does it say?
Tell me what section?
It's not in there. It's not in there, my friend.
Point it to me. Point it out to me.
Google.
I'm not going to Google it. Show me where
the abortion. Right this very second.
Show me your evidence.
Okay. When I show your evidence, what will you say? What will you say?
Show it to me,
sir.
Prove it,
sir.
Prove it.
When I show you.
Prove it.
You don't have a. You don't have a dog. Okay.
Prove it.
No.
Okay, then you can't.
I don't argue with fools.
Okay.
You're a fool.
All right.
If he shows it to you, will you believe him?
No.
See?
So why
that's why. That's
because he can't. He can't prove it.
Well, you're assuming.
Sir, listen. You're gonna go home tonight. Here. You'll be on video this week. There's a website on the bottom of there. I want you to. I'm gonna show you in the video.
That's fine.
I'm going to show you the abortion law
filming me without my consent, you're going to get sued.
Good. Good. I pray that you do sue me. I pray that you do.
You can't film people
because you're not a very good attorney, sir.
No, you can't. No, you cannot.
Sir,
you no longer have my consent.
It doesn't matter. I don't need your consent. You're on public property. No. No. That's wiretapping laws. This isn't wiretapping. You're not.
Consent to film me.
What's your name? I'd never hire you.
That's fine.
What's your name?
You would never be his.
What law firm do you represent?
You don't have consent to film me.
I don't need your consent.
Yes, you do.
Just like I don't need your consent to stand here.
No,
and just like you're actually talking and you're moving your lips. You're actually doing something on your own behalf. I'm not forcing you. You know you're on camera. I've told you on camera.
No, you didn't. Later.
No, I got a camera mounted to my chest that's flashing.
I don't know what
doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You're in a public area. No, it doesn't matter.
You do not have permission to film me.
Yes, it does matter.
Okay.
Why do I not want to be on camera?
Yeah.
Because you're a bunch of false prophets and manipulators.
And how do you know that?
And I do not want to be on camera or use anything that I said.
The standard of any decent, reasonable human being in this country.
Just so it's said there.
So,
no, I don't.
Wants and desires are very different, ma'am.
How do you know what's true and what's not true?
Well, based on my own set, why do you get to determine what's true and what's not?
Well, I don't. God does.
Well, how do you know there's
a God? There you go. God does, and you're not God. God does, and you're not God.
That's circular logic.
Right.
That doesn't make any sense.
You're using circular logic right now, and you're using your consciousness to validate your consciousness, and you're trusting in your consciousness that I'm actually real right now and talking
These men have done nothing, John.
All reasoning is
What are you basing this on that this is not good?
Now you're a liar. You're bearing false witness, and that's sin. God hates it, ma'am. God hates it.
What did you
Yes,
You're bearing false witness.
Hates people,
Harrison, get in the chair.
God
now.
hates people who don't speak to
Get in the
people
chair
in
now.
love. You're correct.
Get in the chair now.
God hates people
ma'am,
who don't show
Truth sounds
love.
truth sounds like hate to those that hate the truth, and you hate the truth.
Oh, that's good.
When I tried to tell you that
read
Abby
that somewhere
Johnson,
important.
when I tried to tell you that Abby Johnson supports murder in her state, and she's funded by pro-lifers, you said I'm not listening to you. All you have to do is look up. She actually refused to support a total bill of abolition in her home state of Texas.
You don't get to tell strangers that they're evil or they're wrong or they're.
We haven't done that.
You didn't have to. You just showed
You don't
us.
get to do that.
So you believe in God, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. I am too. I'm Catholic. Okay. But you cannot force your opinion
Thank
on
you.
someone else. Let me tell you something. You can tell it. Yeah, but you
I've
cannot
not forced anything on
force. Let me tell you
anybody.
something.
They're doing it
What are you doing right now?
Doing
He's
what?
trying to tell you something.
When you said, "Let me tell you something."
That's
Are you
trying
giving
to
me your
prove the
opinion?
point. No.
Okay.
He's trying to
All right.
talk to
Just
you.
try to